guys, a very warm welcome to Body Pro Coach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today we are doing an easy breakfast recipe that's called as egg pizza. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. The ingredients for the same are, here I have taken 2 whole eggs and 3 egg whites. So these are 5 eggs in total. Chopped bell peppers, chopped basil, black pepper powder, olive oil for cooking, some salt, and lastly black olives. Mozzarella cheese in a pan. I'm going to add the eggs. Next, I'm going to add some chopped capsicum to make our pizza look a little colorful. Now I'm going to add some black olives, and now I'm going to drizzle some black pepper powder. Next, some salt, basil leaves. Egg pizza looks so yummy. And lastly, some mozzarella cheese. And now I'm going to cover the same and cook it for the next 5 to 8 minutes. And our egg cheese omelette is ready. So our authentic low carb egg pizza is ready. Request you to please hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all our videos. We do videos on training, nutrition, Maahek's core pilates, and lots more awesome recipes. Thank you so much for all your love and support.